An unexpected turn in the skies has set the scientific world abuzz. An interstellar object known as 3I, Atlas, once thought to be simply passing through our solar system, has altered its course. And now, its new trajectory points directly toward Earth. The revelation has sent ripples of both awe and unease, raising questions that extend beyond astronomy into the realms of planetary defense and the very survival of our species. Unlike the asteroids and comets familiar to us, 3I, Atlas does not belong here. It comes from the uncharted depths between the stars, carrying mysteries of distant stellar neighborhoods locked within its frozen heart. Its sudden deflection toward our planet is more than a quirk of orbital mechanics. It's a cosmic event that demands attention on every level. The precision of its new path makes clear that this is not something humanity can dismiss. Every calculation now carries weight. This is not the first interstellar traveler we've encountered. In recent years, Oumuamua and Borisov captured headlines as they swept through the solar system. But unlike them, 3I, Atlas is rewriting the story. Its altered course places Earth on the line of its journey, turning curiosity into urgency. Astronomers are racing to determine what caused the shift. Was it a natural effect? Perhaps gravitational nudges from planets or jets of sublimating ice acting like thrusters? Or is there some unknown factor at play? The answers matter because they define whether its path remains stable or could change again. An interstellar object aimed at Earth poses a challenge unlike anything before. Traditional planetary defense focuses on near-Earth asteroids, bodies whose paths we can track for decades. But interstellar objects barrel in at incredible speeds, tens of kilometers per second. They move faster, hit harder, and leave far less time to react. If Earth is truly in its path, our existing technologies may be forced into their first real test, and the timeline to respond will be brutally short. But danger is only part of the story. For science, 3I, Atlas is also an opportunity beyond measure. Its nucleus may carry chemical fingerprints from another star system, compounds and structures forged in environments our spacecraft could never reach. If it passes close enough, telescopes on Earth and in orbit might capture priceless data. Its dust, its gases, even fragments shed into our atmosphere could offer the first real samples of interstellar material, giving us a glimpse into the diversity of worlds beyond our own. Yet science cannot overshadow the cultural and psychological weight of such an event. Throughout history, comets and cosmic visitors have been seen as omens of change, symbols of destiny. Today, we view them with sharper scientific clarity, but the awe remains. A star-born traveler setting its sights on Earth captures imagination like few things can. It is a reminder that our world, suspended in space, is far from safe from the chaos of the cosmos. The mechanics of how 3I, Atlas shifted course are also a lesson in humility. Tiny forces, subtle jets of gas, faint pushes of solar radiation, magnified over millions of kilometers can completely redirect its path. That fragility of prediction reminds us how little control we truly have when it comes to the vastness of space. And yet, control or not, we must prepare. Consider the stakes. Even an object just a few hundred meters across, striking at interstellar velocity, would release energy beyond our largest nuclear arsenals combined. The devastation would be continental. If it is larger, say, a kilometer across, it could unleash a catastrophe on a planetary scale. This is not the stuff of fiction. It is mathematics, physics, and orbital reality. But in the face of this, there is also unity. Around the world, telescopes, radars, and observatories are working together, pooling data across nations and institutions. A threat, or opportunity, of this magnitude transcends borders. No one nation owns the sky. Humanity is reminded that survival itself is a collective endeavor. At the same time, the arrival of such a body reshapes how we think of our place in the universe. Our solar system is not an isolated bubble. We live in a galactic crossroads, where material from distant stars occasionally drifts by, or, in this case, barrels straight at us. Each interstellar encounter forces us to rethink what is rare, what is possible, and how prepared we really are. For some, the approach of 3I, Atlas may become a symbol of fragility. For others, it is a call to resilience. Across cultures, artists, philosophers, and storytellers will no doubt frame it as both omen and opportunity. But beneath all the interpretation lies an unshakable fact. This object exists, it is moving, and its path intersects with our world. The numbers are real, and so are the stakes. This is not just an astronomical curiosity. It is a cosmic confrontation, where wonder and fear blend into the same moment. 3I, Atlas is more than a visitor. It is a reminder of the immensity of the universe, the unpredictability of the cosmos. Humanity has reached a point where we can track a visitor from the stars, calculate its trajectory, and even contemplate how to respond. That in itself is astonishing. Yet the altered path of 3I, Atlas, now aimed toward Earth, makes the stakes more than theoretical. It highlights not only the fragility of our planet in the cosmic arena but also the urgency of establishing a presence beyond it. Lunar bases, Martian colonies, and orbital habitats are no longer just dreams of exploration, they are practical steps toward survival. The approach of this interstellar traveler is a vivid lesson in why humanity must diversify its presence across space. The implications extend far beyond engineering and planetary defense. Education and inspiration ripple outward as young minds engage with the immediacy of the cosmos. Physics, astronomy, and planetary science are no longer abstract concepts. They are living disciplines with real-world relevance. Students see that the universe is not a distant backdrop but a dynamic environment that can directly intersect with their lives. The story of 3I, Atlas will ignite curiosity, drive innovation, and shape the next generation of scientists and explorers. Philosophically, the encounter is profound. For billions of years, Earth has faced cosmic impacts, and life itself has been shaped by them. Extinction events, cratered landscapes, and scars on the Moon tell the story of celestial chance. 3I, Atlas is part of that pattern, but this time, we know it is coming. Awareness transforms what once was blind fate into an opportunity for informed action, even if the choices are complex and difficult. Scientists also speculate on what the object might carry. Exotic ices, organic compounds, and molecules from distant stellar nurseries may provide clues to the origins of life itself. Could it offer evidence for the theory of panspermia, the idea that life's building blocks travel between stars, seeding planets across the galaxy? Its passage could unlock insights that span chemistry, biology, and the very origins of life. The cultural impact is equally remarkable. Artists, writers, and musicians are inspired, crafting stories, symphonies, and visual works that blend awe, fear, and wonder. Poets imagine a traveler from another star choosing Earth as its destination. Novelists explore civilizations long gone whose remnants drift through our solar system. In this way, 3I, Atlas transcends science, embedding itself into the human imagination as a symbol of connection between distant worlds and our own. Politically, the situation challenges existing structures. Funding for space exploration and planetary defense, often debated as optional, suddenly takes on existential urgency. Nations must confront questions of authority and responsibility. Who can act, who decides, and how should the international community respond? The cosmos does not recognize borders, and our ability to act effectively cannot either. Public attention is intense. Amateur astronomers scan the night sky, news outlets broadcast updates, and digital platforms simulate its path for a global audience. Unlike distant galaxies, 3I Atlas is immediate, tangible, and personal. It turns the night sky into a shared experience that spans cultures and continents, drawing humanity together in collective observation and reflection. Ethically and practically, preparing for such an object requires unprecedented coordination. If deflection becomes necessary, the tools range from kinetic impactors to nuclear devices, each with profound implications. A misstep could worsen the situation, fragmenting the object into multiple, unpredictable pieces. These scenarios remind us that while the object is interstellar, the decisions are deeply human, entwining technology with global responsibility, law, and ethics. Scientific research surges in response. Laboratories simulate high-speed impacts, material scientists study the behavior of exotic ices, and chemists prepare to analyze any gas or dust it releases. Biologists consider the implications if complex organic molecules are discovered. Instruments on the ground and in orbit are repurposed to track, observe, and learn from this visitor. The approach of 3I Atlas is effectively a global mobilization of intellect, spanning disciplines and continents. The artistic and cultural response is no less important. Painters imagine its blazing path across the sky, composers translate its journey into music, and writers craft narratives exploring the cosmic encounter. The story becomes part of our shared human experience, ensuring that this interstellar visitor is remembered not only in scientific journals but also in the collective memory of civilization. Even in technology, the event catalyzes innovation. Agencies and private companies explore rapid response missions, modular spacecraft, and new observation strategies. Concepts that once seemed experimental are now urgently considered, compressing timelines and pushing ingenuity to its limits. Ultimately, 3I Atlas serves as both warning and inspiration. It reminds us of our vulnerability while also showcasing our ability to observe, learn, and prepare. Whether it passes harmlessly, grazes our planet, or comes closer than anyone expects,